Today I am sharing my very favorite manifestation YouTubers that you need to follow for Law of Assumption and Neville Goddard techniques. When I first heard about the Law of Assumption and Neville Goddard, it absolutely transformed my life. I was suddenly able to manifest everything that I had been trying to manifest for years, and it brought so much peace and security into my life. And today I just want to give credit for those people who have helped to create that transformation in me so that other people can find them and get the same benefits. The first YouTuber that I came across was Joseph Ally, and I binge watched all of his videos. He has such a way of explaining things that just makes so much sense, and he really helped to lead me away from the law of attraction towards the law of assumption. So then I was Googling, do you actually need a high vibration to manifest? And from there I found Sammy Ingram, and the particular video that I found was really very dramatic, and Sammy was on a rant about how she could manifest even though she was in a bad mood, and she completely debunked the myth of having to be in a positive frame of mind to manifest anything. And I just totally fell in love with Sammy Ingram's style. She's definitely hard-hitting and she tells it like it is. She doesn't care what other people think of her, and I absolutely love that because you just see her personality coming out in spades. And I binge watched all of her videos and I absolutely love Sammy Ingram. From there I found Hyla, and Hyla also has a very strong personality, is very easy to watch, and I really enjoy watching all of her videos. She always manages to get me thinking, and I find both Sammy and Hyla really entertaining and really fun to watch. And when I'm in the mood for going really deep and really delving into Neville Goddard in a very deep way, I like to listen to Josiah Brandt and Brian Scott. I also really love manifesting with Marissa because it feels like I'm having a chat with a friend. She's just got such a lovely, warm, open style about her, and you just feel like you're having a really cozy chat. Other YouTubers that really get me thinking deep are Illuminating Joy. She's very easy to watch, and Pluto's Gate. I just find that he is very deep. He thinks about everything on a very deep level and he goes into a lot of detail, which I really like. And those are my favorite YouTubers because they keep the content quite broad and quite general and appeal to a lot of different types of people, whereas I know there are other very popular law of assumption teachers, but in my opinion they tend to focus very heavily on manifesting a specific person, which is good if that is your main manifestation that you're working on, but because I'm happily married, that is of no interest to me, so I'm not going to watch any videos on manifesting a specific person unless it's from one of my favorite YouTubers, because I just love to watch all of their videos. And I do find that the channels that focus very heavily on manifesting a specific person can get very obsessive about the other person, and rather than looking at yourself as the creator and what your powers are. So that's another reason I'm not a massive fan. One thing that I never saw anybody focus on was focusing on success and business and work-related manifestations. So that's why I decided to create this channel. So anything that goes along with creating your own business, manifesting money, manifesting an audience, manifesting reach, people watching your content, reading your blog posts, that kind of thing. And that's why I decided to start this channel, because I have got a lot of experience with my previous brands manifesting the fame, the fortune and the followers, and that's what I'm now helping other people to manifest. So although I do talk about a lot of general concepts from Law of Assumption and Neville Goddard, I specifically focus on manifesting success, and that's what I specifically help people to do. So I'd love to know what your favorite Law of Assumption or Neville Goddard YouTubers are. I'm always loving to see new YouTubers and discover more people that I can learn from. I'm always learning and growing, as we all are, and it's really fun to collaborate with other people in this space and all create a body of knowledge that can really serve to help other people to improve on their journey as well. So leave me a comment below, let me know what your favorites are, and now it's your turn to go and put your stamp on the world.